I'm Mark Selby, President and CEO of Royal Nickel, ticker RNX on the TSX. Royal Nickel has the world-class Dumont Project, which it is advancing through to production. We completed a feasibility study last year. We'll have permits in place by year-end. And with financing in place, we expect to start construction in early 2015 and have first ore through the mill in 2016. It's one of the 5 largest nickel sulfide projects in the world, and we have the 3rd largest nickel reserve in the world, and perfectly timed to take advantage of an excellent nickel market coming our way. Dumont is a large nickel project. As I said earlier, it'll be the 5th largest nickel sulfide project in the world. It's the 3rd largest nickel reserve in the world, and we believe it'll be one of the largest base metal mines in Canada when it's up and running. It's located in the Abitibi region of Quebec, adjacent to a highway, rail line, large high voltage power line less than 10 kilometers away, so all of the infrastructure is in place. We expect, with financing in place, to start construction in early 2015. We will ramp up by the end of 2016 and hopefully be delivering lots of nickel into a very high-priced nickel market by 2017. Yes, I personally doubled down in my position post the ban in Indonesia. Indonesia, back on January the 12th, 2014, banned the export of unprocessed nickel ore. That effectively took out 25% of the world's nickel supply. So we believe we're going to go back to the same level, 2006-07 levels, nickel prices back to $15 to $20 a pound by this time next year. So our stock is a tremendous value. So I personally doubled down on my position, and I know a number of other directors bought large amounts of stock earlier in the year. We are working through the permitting process right now. We just completed the public hearings phase, which went very well. We expect to have permits in hand by year-end, so that's one catalyst. The second thing will be to look for more moves in the nickel market, and we expect LME inventories to roll over in the fall, which should lead to another big step up in the nickel price, back up towards the $28,000 to $30,000 a ton or $15 a pound mark, starting in September. And then in terms of advancing the financing, we're just in discussions with a number of parties to put the financing package together, and as we get parts of that package together, we'll be announcing that. So you'll see several announcements on that front before year-end as well. So a large number of catalysts. Given our tremendous view of the nickel market, which we expect to go back up to $15, $20 a pound levels by this time next year, I would definitely take a look at any of the other nickel companies out there with leverage to what we think is going to be a great nickel market.